People didn't pay attention to silver this year. Silver did the best of all assets this year.
Speech yesterday.
Out of all the assets, silver did the best. Okay, let me share the link with them. People already even like, I don't know. All right, right. Morning, everybody. Chill, too. Let's go. Good. All-time high. A new all-time high has been small from gold, which is beautiful. So I was looking at Nasdaq 100. And this week we're going to be buying Nasdaq 100. The buy started since November 17. All right, and then we're going up to this level. Then last week did something nice as well. First target will be this guy. So daily also confirmed that it's okay, we're going to be buying because we had this guy here 4 hours. So I was looking at 4 hours and where I could get entry from.
So guys, please be patient. He'll be back in a minute. He's experiencing some network issues.
Oh, sorry. Will you confirm if you can hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you.
All right. What about the YouTube? Is it still live?
Yes, we're still live.
Okay. All right. All right. So, looking at Nasdaq trend, our first target is this guy. Then final target is this guy. Where can we buy from? Based on what I have at hand now, we can buy from here. You can buy from this guy. This level is fine. Now, the way price is buying impulsively, you wonder if price will come down. You never can tell, it can still come. Right, but then there's a new level up here, which is this guy here. There's a new level up here, which is this guy. The only problem with this guy is if we're buying from here, our stop loss will be so wide that our stop loss will be so wide that we won't have to extend to this level, which is in a way too wide for me. So we have this level. What will I do here? If I'm considering to buy here, which is not bad, like I said, if I'm considering to buy here, I'll use confirmation entry here. Additionally, if I'll be patient enough to wait for price to drop, then I'll go with this guy here. Stop loss set. What will my stop loss for this guy to just be here? So either of these will work. This does not need confirmation for me. The other guy need confirmation because of how wide the stop loss is. So this is what I'm looking to do. Right. That's what I'm trying. Let's see US30. Okay, let's see US30. So let's see what happened last week. Last week also rejected from this open and close. That's what the daily is saying. Daily gave us an engulfing, which is fine. Daily gave us an engulfing. Where's this guy? Okay. Daily gave us an engulfing. Yeah, that's it for us. So based on what I have on 4 hours, I'll be looking to break. This level looks good. This level looks good. Looks good. So this guy, but this level. The price got it to this level. Let's see. Okay. All right. So this is what I'll do. I'll not go with that guy. I'll go with this guy instead. I'll go with this low instead. The price is looking very funny, but then it's okay. It's Monday. It's Monday, so there's no point trying to force anything. You just wait, let price come. If it comes back, fine. If it doesn't come, Zego Bay. All right, so John 40 also rejected from this guy last week. Let's stay the same. Daily also gave us an engulfing. Had a sweep on a break on H4. Swept this level, broke. Price already mitigated this guy last week, so we'll be looking for continuation now. Looking for continuation. This level here, how comes price didn't come? Basically, okay, I didn't get there. All right. So it's not a problem. Price can break this level here, and then we'll look for more buyer because then we'll have this guy again. So most probably around every time now. By 10, you can check JAMA 40 to see what price has done. Because I want to see imbalance, inducement, everything. So by 10, most probably price will have taken out this higher. If that happens, we're going to be buying onto this level. Right. We're going to be buying onto this level. So by 10, if I'm still home, I'm going to come back and see. Okay, so let's see the forex market. EU is going to sell this week, most probably. GU will still need to wait because of what happened last week. Let's see. Last week rejected. Today is trying to form the expansion. So I'll wait till the end of today on GU. For EU, I see. I like what happened last week. Daily, it's a bit rough around there. Let me just leave it. Then UJ is the JPY. I think that guy has gotten to his TP. Oh, it's close to his TP, not there yet, but it's close. So let's see if there's any entry we can get to take that TP. Daily expanded here. Okay, so USD JPY have to buy to this level. It has to buy to this level. Now, it's a trend. USD JPY will most probably not come down again. So just buy from here to that TP. It's close to its take profit already. GG has already smashed TP. So there's nothing to look out for now in GG. Price has gotten to TP. Now let me give you a new projection on GG. Let me give you a new projection on GG. Maybe for the week or the first week of December. GG have to drop to this level. GG have to drop to this level. When it drops, you'll do the same thing you did here last week. Repeat the same process. When it drops to that level, repeat the same process. Buy until this eye is sticking out. So the same way, you repeat this guy. Let me see what's happening. Yeah, it's very okay on that weekly. If it drops to that level, most probably it's just come for this open and close. So you have your rejection. So new projection on GG. It's a buy, but not now. Price have to drop. Price have to drop to this level, minimum that level that we should do. That mark now. Price have to drop to that level. Then you continue to buy. But for now, if you trade the same way I trade, you have nothing doing on GG until it drops. ADUSD, what's happening on the weekly? Nothing much. Okay, this guy is still buying. Okay, ADUSD, not that guy. So something happened on USD card last week. They responded for the entry opportunity. Believe me, I'll never like this guy. This is the card. It's showing buying potential, but then I'll just ignore it. I'm looking for something good that every one of us can take. Here's this chair, nothing for me. What happened on NZD USD last week? Okay, let's see. Okay, so for this guy, NZD USD will have to wait. If today will close above this level with body, then this makes sense. If we can close above this level with body, then that makes sense. Tomorrow we'll get the buy. All right, but give today the chance to close first on NZD USD. You want to see price break this level with body. All right, that's for NZD USD. Euro JPY, it has gotten to its TP already. So let me give you a new projection on Euro JPY. A new projection on Euro JPY. Depends on how this guy goes, though. But not to worry. You want to see what price will do here. If we have a rejection on daily here, then we'll try to frame our buy bias. If this level fails, this guy is still here. This guy is still here. So either of these two. Either of these two. But then we need to wait. All I'm trying to say is you should be patient. All right. All I'm trying to say is you should be patient. Huh? Don't be in a hurry. Wait the price come back for you. All right. So let's see. Let's go. AUD JPY. So all of them are just buying. This guy is still going up to that extreme high. Price is most likely coming here. So let's see what Daily is saying. Okay, Daily just got to its own TP this morning. All right, that's fine. Daily has just gotten to TP this morning. So what do we do? Price break that level. We'll wait for the pullback. See, it's very easy when you can just be patient enough and let price form. Like let price fully form. Because if you see now, that was how a good number of people were able to catch the GBP JPY last week. I told you have no business trying to rush anything. Let price pull back. Once it pull back, you can then engage. Let's see what Bill is saying. It is sell though. It is sell. Daily and weekly are in alignment, which makes so much sense. For us, what you're saying. There's no entry for me yet. But then this will be beautiful. If we break this level, let me set that line. If we break this level, I'll look for a sell. All right, we break this level, I'll look for a sell. I already have the first part I need to see. So break. Then I sell. Price is telling me it's meant to sell to this low. So I'll watch out. I'll watch out for this game. Euro card. But we need to break that level that I marked. So Euro card, that's it. GBP happened last week. Sounds an engulfing. Looks like an engulfing. Right. Let's see, a break. So I'm seeing continuation on this guy. For yourself. Yeah, for yourself. The next 2 hour statement, if it closes like this, we can sell from here. If the next 2 hour statement closes like this, we can sell from here. And then we can strike like this. But wait for that time to close first. 2 hour statement, you can sell. Target this level. I love what I have here. This looks so nice. Bello, remind me to check this guy by 11 o'clock. All right.
Yes, sir.
Looks very nice. You're already on the sell.
No, sir.
So, those in are fast and furious. So I'm looking at this guy by 10. No, 11, sorry. By 11. Looks very, very nice. Looks very, very, very nice. But we need to wait. You never can tell. Price can just do something else. So to those in the private class, and then you want to access the sweep and break this guy. Then if you close like this guy becomes the break. A sweep, a break. So let's see what happened. Oops, sorry. When is this guy going to expire? I better renew now. Yes, that's a swipe. That's a break. All right, all right. This guy looks very nice, honestly. I think it's the best I've seen so far this one. Yeah, I think it's the best I've seen so far. Because price is not done selling. Price started from here. And price is to get here. Then 3 weeks ago, price deceived us as if we truly want to buy. Taking this guy, only just to comfort this guy. And on doing that, last week did something really nice. Reacted to this guy, rejected. Daily also gave an engulfing, which is beautiful. Right, which is the same as expansion. Falls is giving us entry opportunity. Here we close like this. Let me see. Do I need to refine? Nope. Trials. Even trials is confirming that sell. It's looking nice. But let's see. Let these 4 hours close first. The 3 hours and the 4 hours is the same time they will close based on what we have. So by 11, you can check this guy. We'll know if it's valid by 11. Then we can engage. So whether I stop, ready, what's up? Of course. Yeah, I like what I see here too. I love what I see here. It can climb everything up. So I love what I see here. First came from this level. Price is to sell to this level. Oh, there's no break yet. There's no break yet. There's no break yet. But this guy will sell to sell. And if you see last week, we took out this, then we've got into TP on this side. It will still sell, just that I'm not seeing what I need to see on the other side. But QPUD by 11 we can confirm. So let's see QP card. Price action is this. I covered the card. AD card. Was the AD card thing. I'll wait this guy out. Let's AD card. Okay, the sell is still on. We're not done. Most probably means it's sell here because I set alarm for something. I forgot to follow. Price rejected here. I tried to be this guy. Daily already expanded. The sell already took. We had one sell here. We had a new. Let's see. Hmm. Best bet, I'll frame a new move from here. I'll wait for price to come here on the daily, reject, then I'll start selling again. I won't set limit though. So I want to see, just like what you did on GG last week, do the same thing on this guy. Do the same thing on this guy. On the other hand, this buy you're seeing is not random as well. Right? It's not random. This current buy you're seeing is not random. I won't be buying though, because the weekly is not done. I won't be buying because the weekly is not done. In fact, the only place will have yeah, but it's still one of that. Okay, this guy is okay. I won't be buying. I'll stay out. I'll stay out until the daily now comes to this level. When the daily gets I want to see what happened here. Right. And then I'll frame sell buyers. If I see all I need to see, I'll frame sell buyers to take out this one. So let's see as the ZD card. GPY, what's up? Okay. Price is super bullish. So what do you want to see? Want to wait, just the same thing I showed you last week. Want to wait for price to drop here. If that level fail, want to wait for this guy. But first, let's see what happens here. I'll tell you when to start looking for buy. But for now, just wait, let price drop. Okay. Let price drop first. I'll start GPY, GPNZ, or the ZGPY. Oh, beautiful. Oh, this guy has got into TP already. Has got into TP already. It's okay. It's okay. All right. ZGPY has got into TP already. Let's see. Iran ZD. Price picked already. Price has moved. Okay, so let's see. Was that Iran ZD, right? Procedure. Let's check procedure. Okay. So something happened here last week. Okay, so you need to wait. This guy needs to break this level. But if you come, yeah, we need to wait for this guy to break this level. If it breaks, we'll now look for where to get our entry from. So that's 2 PCHF. So it took a Monday. A lot of waiting has to be done today. At how is it this guy was price just stopped. Yeah. Nice. So what are we waiting for again? Price need to drop. This guy needs to drop to at least this level. Then we'll start looking for how to get entry and all. So say check GPY. What else are we going to do? Euro CJ. Okay, price is still selling. But this new week starting with taking out the previous week is going to be dangerous. On the other side, we rejected from here last week. today. All right, I'll wait this guy out. I'll wait this guy out. Zero signature. 80 signature. Price has gotten to the TP. Price has gotten to TP. Then this guy rejected last week. Daily, still struggling to do so. So moving ahead, let's see. It is nothing much around here. All right, so basically, I'll be looking at I'm waiting for US30, I'm waiting for Nasdaq and I'm waiting for Jam 40 to break that level. Then GBP, what's that currency pair? Hello? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's the name of that currency pair? The one we're waiting for. GBP what?
UPAED, sir.
All right, so these are the ones I'm looking at. By 10-11, I'll update you guys. By 10-11, I'll update you guys if there's anything. For now, we're still waiting. All right, I'll see you guys then.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.